Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a zipper basket. Now zipper's not really based on anything else, so as long as you're a competent intermediate level dancer, you're going to be ready to do one of these. If you do want to go back and have a look at one of the less complicated zippers, though to be fair they're not really less complicated, I will put links in the description below, and it's obviously really useful if you already know how to do a basket. Link to that in the description below in case you've missed that. Okay, so assuming you're ready, it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so let's break it down. Zippers start with a double cross, so we're going to go semicircle back to 2 hands. Guys move a little bit out of the way to the left. The normal way to get into double cross for most things you're going to do a double cross for is travelling return, both hands high. So we start lady walking forwards, ladies are turning left, both hands go over the top, and we end up crossed with the rights over the lefts. So we've both got our arms crossed, hence double cross. From here we're going to start lady walking forwards, lifting the hands. The left is going to go over the lady, the right's going to go over the guy. Everybody's turning right, we're going back to back. The arms go wide and down as we go past, so they fold up behind the back. If you don't get them wide and down soon enough, you'll find that it's becomes kind of impeded by your shoulders and elbows. From here it's going to look like we're starting a walk around, so we start the lady walking forwards and the guys start to walk, but we let go with the left hand. So guys, that hand becomes free, we turn to the right, we're pulling gently with the right, taking it out so that we actually leave the hand away from where it was tucked behind the lady's back, pulling down to the right hand side. As we continue walking forwards, turning right, we wrap the lady into our right hand side, twist out as we would for a basket, picking up the other hand, and then from there we can finish the basket any way we like. The easy way out, and the way we'd normally do it for this, is to just lift and roll the lady away and then travelling return, letting go with the right hand. Okay, so let's start that again from the other side and think numbers. So we go semicircle back, 2 hands, 1, over the top, 2, stretched out into the double cross, 3, going high, 4, low 5, walking 6, wrapping 7, twisting 8, send the lady out 1 and face 2, over the top 3 and finish 4. You could do those things a little bit faster, a little bit slower. There are various points you could slow it down, take an extra count. Not a lot of places you could try taking one out in this one. So let's have a go. Let's try it. 5, 6, a zipper basket. It's offer, over the top and look, go high, go low, walk 1, wrap 2, twist 3, over the top 4, looking 5, through 6 and back 7. Hope you enjoyed that. Hope you find it useful out on the dance floor. There is a music recommendation on the end of something nice to practice to. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Liking helps promote this particular video, so if you like the move, liking helps more people get to it. If you subscribe, it helps promote the channel and hopefully helps promote dancing generally, so big thank you to everybody who does that. And finally, if you hit the notification bell, you'll know every time a new video comes out because you'll get told. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.